Yes, but there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. I hope that everyone are right. You see, yeah, my people. So I want to say this to each and every one. Please be careful on the road, whether you're a motorist or a pedestrian. Please be careful, because for some reason, whenever it comes on to the month of December or within the month of December, certain things happen that might be somewhat similar to certain things that happen over the years. You understand? Anyways, I have videos that I'm going to present to you. First things first, I am going to present a video to you that I be recorded in Jamaica. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a badly damaged motor vehicle. In my point of view, it seems as if the motor vehicle was involved in some form of accident, viewers and subscribers. And in the video, you can hear a certain amount of persons saying certain things about the situation. Now, some of the things that a certain amount of persons said in this video about the situation might not be accurate. But I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
You can't believe what happened. You go party last time.
I start me for start him up and like
so I tell me say I saw the truck tough for bounce. Oh no, look people, the truck bounce back the bus down there, sir. Look. And nothing, the truck is still standing. Nothing to the truck. Nothing to the truck. And wait, me have to go down and say people, and they said a broke foot girl was inside here, and look at the broke foot girl crutch. Look at the broke foot, so they broke the girl foot again. No people, listen, tell me what do you think about it? A wicked suing man. Them broke the girl foot again, dog. Look at the crutch stick. Look at the crutch stick. Look at, oh my god. Bro, watch out. Watch out, dog. Watch out, bad man. God no you. God no. I'm going to bus. God no you. So you know so that woman they can't see again.
Watch out, blood.
No, I don't know prank TikTok man. I'm not doing this man. Look at the driver steering. He joined lads. He joined lads. People.
Why come to that? Yo, why come to that?
Jeez. What's that? Look, people don't drink and drive. Boy, now no incense for my teeth and my killer. Take up the money. Take up the money, man. Take up the money. Take up the money. Take up the money. Take up the money and search. AirPods. We can't find next year's. Look at guys, I found an AirPod. I gotta be searching.
I mean, man. Oh, there US. Watch out. Can I see it?
I know US.
My people, it's when me used to go to school. There are certain seats in bus I do not use in the viewers and subscribers. No, because I see it as some form of risk. That's what I say, but we all grew up at some point and some of us get to own motor vehicles and, you know, things change, you see. Anyways, my people, so I don't have much confirmed information about the situation and or the badly damaged motor vehicle that I can see in that video. Clearly, the video shows a red plate on that bus. See? So, based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, you can let me know what I think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, in the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you can hear a person talking about what I call KFC food. Yeah, my people, in this video, it's like the person talk about food from KFC, viewers and subscribers. You see me? I would like you to listen to the things that the person said in this video, and you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said in this video. Observe. Listen for yourself.
Food at KFC last night, right? And my car come and work with me, so I have to eat it anyway. Me eat out some tight and thing. But you know, surprising, they put on food. And you say, hands take it, fly take it.
Yeah, listen.
Brother, we put on a KFC. No hands no take it. No fly no take it. Boy, I mean, I tell a lie. Whole day no fly no take it. Whole day for morning. No fly, no hands. Watch it. No hands no go in our box set. And me buy, last time I buy a watcher.
See what hands right as so I don't like if you say well then hands not up here. Me see one flyer move up and down. And enough, you can imagine no flyer not take the KFC. Enough, watch her. See one flyer, watch her. And look, no flyer not take it, watch her. For man in it there. And no flyer not take it. No hands not take it. KFC not for hit, brother. May I tell you straight up, KFC not for hit.
No, I'm only going by the things that I heard the person say in the video, and the viewers and subscribers. And I think it is really interesting to hear someone say that to them put on food for a certain amount of time and ants nor fly nor them kind of insects, they don't go nowhere near it or even swarm it or take it. It kind of interesting. But you see, the thing is that for me, if I actually believe that something like that happened, I would have to be on the spot and see the food actually open up and left at a certain location. You know what I mean? Yeah, if me see it for myself, then me can say, okay, alright, boss. Anyways, you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, my people, if you're driving a motor vehicle, whether it wants to be a car or a motorcycle, and if you see police up ahead, would you turn back? Would you turn back? Well, my people, take a look at this video right here, my viewers and subscribers. Look at this video right here. Quick U-turn that, though. So what the motorcyclists do? I tell you, over the years I got the understanding that you have some motorists who try to avoid the police whenever they are driving on the road, no viewers and subscribers. Yeah, and you know, I got the understanding that some of those motorists don't have no form of bad documents and nothing wrong with their motor vehicles. It's just that you have some of those motorists, once they know that police are at a certain location, they will not go that direction. However, it can be somewhat different when it comes on to marine police or people who work for Jamaica Customs. You see? Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show law enforcers in a boat chasing a boat that was being steered by someone. Now, the boat that those persons who are said to be law enforcers was traveling in have the words Jamaica Customs marked on it, viewers and subscribers. In this video, you can hear harsh language. And I would like you to tell me what you think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
I didn't want to see you. I'm the engine of driving. I'm the engine. I'm the engine. I'm the engine. Reverse by that one. Yeah, you know what? I'm coming. Roll it them. What? To the reverse and jump out that boat. Yeah, I want it. I'm going to drive the boat. I'm a paper as me come for. I don't want them. Watch me now. You can't watch about football on the phone here. Because I inform my phone this. Watch out the back. I don't want phone and I come for Listen now, yeah, we have to learn things that about the main thing. Let's see me and you give stop and go. Stop and go. What I mean, learn. You're deaf. You know me. Learn. Jump out, I know me. Blood. Land me and jet, land me and jet. Jump out me and jet, jump out. Yeah. Checking out the problem, you know, but watch, I have to straight to run. I run up in the papers, but that's why I run.
By land or by sea, police work not easy to people. See? I tell you, didn't get any confirmed information as to why they had been chased. By why police chased that boat. I tell you, I tell you still, Jamaica people love excitement. You hear those persons in the background of the video? Yeah. Anyway, my people, Dancehall Skilla channel is a place where your voice can be heard. Big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. Yeah, whole heap of respect. So, yeah, so me I left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.